catching feelings, baby.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a haul video. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Old Navy and stuff, what I got for my trip. I didn't get that many makeup because, like I said, I wouldn't be by the pool a lot and stuff. So yeah. And the first thing is that I got me a powder for my skin, because my skin gets like very sensitive on makeup, so I got me this. I don't know why, but this lighting is bad. I got me this. It's like, it looks like that. It's called Wet n Wild, setting powder. So, I forgot how much these cost. I don't really care, but I don't know, something easy to put in my makeup kit, my makeup traveling kit bag. So, yeah. I already got it all over on this. And then this is what it looks like. I have to be very, very careful. I don't want to dump it. So, I'm just going to show you guys on my finger because I don't want to get it all over my bed. So this is what it looks like. And I'm going to show you guys how it blends. See, like, it blends really, really smooth. Like, this is why I like makeup. This is why I like Wet n Wild, because it has some vitamin E, D, or B, or C. And I had like this foundation has like sunscreen on it. I like it, so. And next I have Wet n Wild Vitamin E highlighter stick, and this is what it looks like. See, this is what I'm talking about. I like how they put like vitamin stuff in their makeup. And then this is what it looks like actually. That's what it looks like, and then it has, like, show you guys the word on here, and you guys can see it, but there it is. Vitamin E, my bad. Vitamin E is this highlight, and then that's what it is. I have to cream my soapy stick now because I actually need the powder on it. And I'm gonna put stuff on my fingers because I already did it, so I was trying it out. And then I don't really like elf makeup. I don't know, I just don't like it. But comment down below what's your favorite makeup brand products. I like Wet n Wild. So I got elf Hello Glow Beauty Wand Contour. So this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna put it on my finger because I already tried it. So this is what it looks like. And yes, it does match my skin. I'm really surprised because dark like that, my skin is not dark like that. I get tanned, and sometimes I do get dark like that. Maybe because I'm tanned. I don't know. So, so this is all I got from Old Navy. Old Navy, I like that store. Sometimes I get like clothes there, or Kohl's, or I don't know. But this is what I like. I like these makeup. I forgot how much they were, but I don't really care. But, so yeah, that's all I got. And then stay tuned for, when is it? Yeah, stay tuned for next week. I will start my videos on May 8th. What's in my traveling bag. And then go from there. And I can't wait to take you guys on the journey with me. And we're gonna be on the cruise on Mother's Day. That's just funny to me because it's a holiday, but sorry, I'm tired. I've been gone all day today, and It's been a long day, but anyways. Yeah, it's gonna be, I don't know what we're gonna do for Mother's Day because I'm gonna be on board. Like on board the ship, but anyways, but yeah. And then I'm gonna take one of my lotion, that blue one with me because my skin gets so dry in the summer. Well, not as bad in the winter. So yeah, my skin never gets dry as bad in the winter. Like, I mean, not as dry as the summertime than the winter. Sorry, I get mixed up. So yeah, then I will take my journal with me, like to draw symbols and that stuff, keep me busy. And then take my headphones. There's all the stuff I might take with me. A couple of my coloring books, my markers. I had to get a new bag because it's like ripping apart. And my headphones, my tablet. I would need that on some movies. So yeah. I am counting days. I'm counting the days because I'm really excited. And we might leave early that day, or evening or nighttime. I don't know. If we're leaving the nighttime, I'm not gonna do vlogs because it's too dark to film with this camera. Because I don't have a light up here on this camera. So yeah. And yes, I am gonna take this with me. Like I said on my other videos, I'm gonna take this with me because I'm gonna do some water activities on the cruise. Like swimming, and get off the ship. I'm gonna probably explore the island. And then, like for example, if I want to swim, not swim with dolphins, but pet the dolphins if they want to get me a little bit of wet, I don't mind. So yeah, there'll be a lot of videos coming soon. So yeah, so no, we're not gonna hold or pet the sloths because they're using the animals for, you know what I mean, patting them. So I'm kind of a little bit upset, but hey. But I'm really grateful to pet a dolphin again. This is gonna be my second time. So yeah, I will see you guys on May 8th. And next week, and I see you guys there. Have a happy Thursday, and I see you guys next week on May 8th. Don't forget to subscribe, like, notification bell, and I see you guys next week. Bye guys.
Now I'm catching feelings, baby.